What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. What is a trade line on my credit report? A credit account is a trade line on a credit report. These trade lines are used by credit agencies to create credit reports for people. The creditor reports the following information on each trade line: creditor or lender's name, partial account number, type of account, date the account was opened, date of last activity, current balance, credit limit or loan amount, amount of the last payment, date the account was last updated, payment history, current account status. Revolving and installment trade lines are the two types of trade lines. A revolving trade line is a credit card account or a line of credit. The borrower can utilize credit as needed, up to their credit limit, for a longer period of time using these accounts. An installment trade line is a loan for a certain sum that is paid back in installments, such as a school loan, mortgage, or vehicle loan. Trade line information from your credit report is used to create your credit score, a 3-digit figure that reflects your creditworthiness. Your trade lines will contain good information, and you'll have a high credit score to show for your efforts if you've made your payments on time, kept your balances low, and overall been responsible with your credit commitments. You can't have a credit score without a trade line. Your credit report must show at least one open and active trade line in the last 6 months for the credit score computation to perform. Your credit score is affected by the number of trade lines you have open at any given moment. Too many might make you appear overextended, while too few can indicate a lack of credit experience. Unfortunately, credit scoring agencies haven't revealed how many trade lines you'll need to have good credit. To improve your credit score, you should only open and terminate accounts as needed, maintain excellent credit on your existing accounts, and keep your loan levels low. Any information that is correct, comprehensive, and within the credit reporting time restriction is allowed to be reported to credit agencies, including any bad or overdue accounts you may have. Your credit report will show open trade lines with favorable information eternally. Closed trade lines with positive information will be on your credit record for a period of time set by the internal reporting requirements of each credit agency. Within 7 to 10 years, closed trade lines with bad information like delinquencies or bankruptcies will be removed from your credit record. Positive closed trade lines, for example, are kept on your credit history for up to 10 years by Experian, whereas bad closed accounts are erased after 7 years. Trade line information is sent to credit bureaus by creditors and lenders with whom you have accounts, as per their agreement with the credit bureaus. This data is typically supplied on a monthly basis, so your account information contains the most recent data from each of your trade lines. By purchasing your credit report, you can keep track of the information that is being reported about you. Each of the major credit agencies is required by law to provide you with one free credit report each year. It's available for purchase on the annual credit report website. Once you've gotten your credit report, go over it carefully to make sure all of the information on it is correct. If you see any inaccuracies on your credit report, such as outdated or inaccurate trade lines, you can request that they be deleted by writing to the credit bureau. Unknown trade lines might be an indication of identity theft. Credit bureaus can be contacted to contest fraudulent trade lines. One strategy to boost your credit score is to add new trade lines to your credit report, which will allow you to establish a good payment history. Secured credit cards, shop credit cards, and credit builder loans are the greatest choices for opening new accounts if you have no credit or terrible credit. You could be tempted to buy trade lines if you've had difficulties being authorized or if you're searching for a quick fix. There are businesses that offer trade line access, charging hundreds of dollars to add your name to an existing trade line, preferably one that has been running for several years and has no delinquencies. When you're added to a bought trade line, generally as an authorized user on someone's credit card, the account stays on your credit report for a long time, which helps to raise your credit score. You can then apply for credit on your own after your score has improved. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our channel and visit us online.